What's up, guys? Okay, so we are gonna go out today and go for a walk. We're gonna go take some pictures and we're gonna bring you along with us. But first, cup of tea. Very important. Let's go. Ready. Start the day with baguette, cheese, meat, charcuterie. Let's get it. Orange and ginger tea. Ooh, how good does that look? Oh, So we thought we would start doing daily vlogs. We were doing vlogs in Thailand. They were pretty good, but now I think it's more important to talk to you guys, explain what we're doing each day with the travels, and yeah, bring you along for the journey, you know, you just simply can't miss it. Okay, let's go do this. Adventure time. Ding!
Hi guys! I don't know if you guys know, but we are in Strasbourg actually, and this is my hometown where I grew up. We arrived about a month ago, but it was Christmas market, so way too busy in town to do anything really. So today we're gonna go to the popular spots like the cathedral, do some content and show you guys around.
Okay, so we've just arrived into the city center and we're going to see the cathedral. I think you can just see it starting here. You see this? You see this? Ooh. Wait till you get a look at it. It's so big. Okay, we're here at Cathedral Notre Dame de Strasbourg, and it's phenomenal. Apparently people call it Mama, just in the town center, and it's so big. And person, cathedral, person, cathedral. I mean, come on, what? So number one rule when it comes to photography is bring your memory cards, yeah? Yeah. I left it in the memory card reader, the SF reader, and this was pointless. Now I'm carrying around the whole camera bag and ordeal for no reason. I feel like such an idiot right now, not bringing this card. One of the things I wanted to do was to show you guys what it was like to see behind the scenes of our photos. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out Coco and Liddy underscore on Instagram, and that's where we put our travel photos. So yeah, goddamn, idioto bambino. Okay, change of plans, no photos, we're just gonna go in and explore. So we're gonna show you guys what it looks like inside the cathedral. Let's go do it. Merci. This is crazy. It is so beautiful in here. Apologizing about the light now. This is the only source of light apart from candles everywhere, so it's not going to be a very good shot. So nothing seems to be going as planned today. My GoPro just died. The battery, I think, expanded too much and now it's stopped working, so I don't know what's going on now. So now I'm filming on my phone, so apologies about the quality, but yeah, I think the lighting might be a bit better on the phone. So if you want to come and light a candle, boom, you come over here, you can light it, and it is €2 for donation. And you kind of see them everywhere. There's these candle stands over here. Boop. not gonna do it today. I feel really disheartened about my camera not working, now my GoPro's not working, I'm left with the phone, so I apologize about the quality, but that's not what it's about. We are trying to daily vlog, so I'm gonna do it, and no matter what. If this phone dies, then we have Liddy's, and we'll just keep going, never give up. So, I'm gonna promise you guys we're gonna come back, and the next video is gonna be 20,000 times better. Gonna have photos, gonna use different cameras, and yeah. I'm sorry. Always improving, exactly. Right? Right? Tell me right?
So, we just entered the beginning of the Petite France. It's just a very, very nice neighborhood. You have a bunch of bars, a bunch of restaurants, shops. It's very like traditional Alsatian. You have like this little house with the, how do you call it? The beams of wood and lots of pavements, and it's just like super nice. So if you come to Strasbourg, make sure to visit the Petite France.
Okay, I think we found the coolest looking house in La Petite France. Look at this. Look at this. They have a boat. Ah, oh, oh, I would live there. Would you live there?
Yes.
So apparently you can go up on top of this here. So we'll see you there. Okay, the view is actually pretty cool up here. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh. And there's the cathedral that we were at. Cathedral Notre Dame de Strasbourg. Ooh. Okay guys, so today... Okay, as I was saying, everything has died. Now I'm on Liddy's phone. It's just really unsuccessful day of vlogging. So I'm gonna say goodbye now, and I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Strasbourg. Yeah, I'm a little bit disheartened by everything just not working today. But, you know, come back for tomorrow's daily vlog, and I promise you it's gonna be better. I'm gonna be more prepared. Everything's gonna be charged, and let's just see. Let's hope.
Bye. Bye.